So how was your weekend?
My weekend, well, first of all, we went to the golf course, and then we like made some baskets, made some touchdowns. It was totally dope.
That sounds awesome.
It was. Oh my God, there's a gun! Oh my God!
Whoa, man. I come from the future. I come here to warn you that there's a zombie lurking around here somewhere. Come, follow me. Oh, I got my real good and what? It's the zombie!
No!
Dude, what are you doing? Save yourself, everybody!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Don't kill me, please! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! Oh. No! No! Oh my God!
Oh my gosh, are you okay?
Thank you! Thank you! Oh. 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 Oh.